Alright, Survive or Die Inc. Choice is yours. And we're black, we're black, we're black. And I told y'all we coming black with the unveiling, right? So it's just something I've been working on for about a little while now. Over 2 months. You know what I'm saying? And it's very vital to our survival. Very vital to our survival because of the simple fact when you're dealing with modes of transportation, how are you going to get to your bug out location? You understand what I'm saying? If you're bugging in, do you have an emergency situation where you may have to get out? You understand what I'm saying? And not just get out of the home, get out of the area, maybe even get out of town or state. So if you know this, especially dealing with emergency situations like hurricanes and tornadoes, for the most part, we know and understand that the highways are going to be jam-packed. Everybody's going to be piled up because they're trying to get out, either to their bug out location or just somewhere safe. So Survive or Die has been building on other options. You understand what I'm saying? We've been building with horse trainers and brothers who take young brothers who take care of horses as modes of survival transportation. I won't necessarily say bug out vehicle, but survival transportation. Now, on this segment, we're dealing with bug out vehicle, okay? Modes of transportation, other options to get away. So we're gonna unveil what we've been working on for quite a little minute, and I'm just ready. I'm just hyped to show it to y'all. This is the new tank. His name is Justice. And when he comes, he's serving. You dig? This is the new Fat Tire e-bike. And I've actually built this myself. So the bike frame and everything, I completely redid. It was completely black frame, okay? The paint job, the camo, the wheels, all of that, I did this. Yes, bike pimping, baby, you dig? So we pimping over here on your bike, all right? So, and if y'all remember my other bike, my other BOV, I did a little different pattern, but I camoed that out, and that one was all white, right? So the before and after is crazy. So here, this is the new 48 volt, 1000 watt motor e-bike. I'm doing at least from 40 to 45 miles per hour, 50 mile range, 45 to 50, pending, a little bit more, maybe even 60 with the pedal assist. You dig? So when we're talking about modes of transportation, you can't go wrong. 26-inch wheels, 4 inches wide, Fat Tire e-bike. And I have my camo pannier bags, and the battery itself is under the bags. And if we come back here, you can see I have the flashing lights, signal lights. And the emergency light as well. All right, boom. And we got lights on the wheels, course, you won't be able to see that right now. It's daytime, but when the nighttime comes, this bad boy turns into the Incredible Hulk. Green lights everywhere. You understand what I'm saying? I have lights up under the frame. Little green light system up here under the frame. I don't know if y'all can see that. Boom. Right? And we have my headlamp here. This is a solar power headlamp here. Very bright. And up here, we have the phone case and storage pack for the frame. This is the monitor. Let me turn the battery on to show y'all what this thing looks like. Let me just hold this down here. Boom. And that's your monitor, the screen. All right. It tells you how many miles you're riding, the speedometer, all of that good stuff. And here, this is the controller that connects to the battery, that connects to the actual motor that's on the wheel itself. So here's the motor right here. This is the hub motor. It's called a brushless hub motor right here. That's actually on the wheel. So you can't just buy the motor separate and the battery separate. You have to buy the wheel itself. So even if you're going a regular mountain bike tire, you know what I'm saying? You have to buy the e-bike wheel and then your battery, because it comes with the controller and all this stuff. So, and I got my camo, Bluetooth. I needs my music. I got to have my music. I'm a fiend for it. You dig? So I got my camo Bluetooth speaker. And I'm not done pimping yet. Not done yet. Come on over here. So here is my tack helmet. Yes, this is my bike helmet. I know y'all say, God damn, this nigga got a riot helmet. Yes, this is my bike helmet, headlamp, side lamp, and I got something else special to go on this side. It has not arrived yet, but it's on its way. You dig? So this is Justice. This is the new e-bike bug out vehicle. You understand what I'm saying? And we're gonna be doing a test run. Well, not a test run, but we're gonna be doing some more videos. Stand by, because you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this bad boy here, this tank. You gotta be seeing a lot more of it. Trust and believe. So we got a lot of stuff coming up for y'all with the e-bikes. You understand what I'm saying? So stand by. We're not gonna let y'all down. So thank y'all for tuning in to the bug out vehicle session and the unveiling of the new tank, if you will. I'm King Samir, Survive or Die Inc., founder, and boom, we'll be black at you. Power.